Hi, dear friends. I'm Sujata Toy, Teens Productivity and Success Coach. Welcome to my channel, Coach SST. My mission, my mission is to empower and inspire millions of teenage students to build their success foundation at an early age and unleash their hidden productivity potential to convert their dreams into reality and live a prosperous lifestyle which is filled with the happiness and the success. Dear friends, there are many success elements where if a students learn it sincerely from their childhood should have advantage not only for themselves, for their parents, but also for the country. As you know, students are the building blocks of country and so the most essential asset of any country. Students who learn today are the leaders of their destiny and will work for the nation, for the future of the country. The higher the development rate of student, the more the country will progress towards the pathway of success. Today is a Youth Day, 12th January, Youth Day. We celebrate in India, we celebrate it in memory of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda says, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. So success is our journey and we have to start it. We have all that power which is hidden inside us. We have to unleash that with the help of guidance. Now let us discuss. But do you know the problem? In many cases, students have not received such success guidelines, life skills, and the support, and they are deprived of the resources and the power and the guidelines and the direction. And later, when they realize it, it is difficult for the students to inbuild those deficiencies. As the mindset has already been built, changes are difficult to make later. The necessity, therefore, is to show the students the success path to achieve their dream goals, to achieve their dream career goals by providing them proper guideline and support at an early age. Now you may be asking why it is at early age. Because if you see, when you learn all these skills at an early age, how to achieve the success at an early age, you will be ready with all those tools and strategies how to achieve success, and you will be ready with how to face those challenges which are coming later in your career. Our education system teaches us to become a topper in school, college, and get the good score so that you will be successful in future. But is it the reality? क्या इतना ही सच है कि अगर हम टॉपर बनते हैं तो then we will be successful in life? No, this is not the true reality. If you see on the Google also search, there are only 5% are the toppers, successful people. Why this gap is there? 95 people are still struggling and only 5% people are successful. So we have to understand this. Though you are topper, you have higher score, you will not become successful or earn as per your qualification. Now you can ask me why. Successful means just not a topper, but it is beyond schooling. It is beyond that. There are some success foundation. There are some success principle which no one teaches us in our schooling, in our academics. And you will realize it when you complete your education and welcome in the real race of life, of challenges and the obstacles. The real struggle starts here as we are not prepared with the skills, strategies, tools which are required in our career journey. The real game starts now. We keep struggling to get the good jobs and the good pay scale to fulfill our dreams. Our dreams remains dreams, which we have seen in our college days. Hence, basic foundation needs to be very strong to face these obstacles and to travel our career journey happily. This channel will cover all the essential elements of successful for the students to build up their foundation strong, make students ready for the education which is beyond schooling to succeed in their career and life. This channel has started with intention in mind that students will get everything that is needed to become successful and to know how to succeed in any course which he or she is preparing for. Because the success fundamentals are evergreen. It is applicable for each and every student of any stream. So students who want to not only top the academic exam, but also want to ace the exam of life, type in the comment box, yes, I'm ready to ace the exam of life. So hit the subscribe button and follow my channel, Coach SST, to get the daily dose of success, to transform your dreams into reality. In the upcoming videos, you will see the basic doses of success to achieve your dream career goal. If you like this video, then like it, comment it in the comment box and share it to your friends so that they can also make a difference in their career and life. Cheers, God bless, think rich, dream big, act like a champion and live a prosperous life. Life which is filled with success and happiness. Signing off, Coach SST, Student Success Trainer. Have a productive and happy day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.